folks, I'm back. It's me, Mahbub Chowdhury, aka the People's Coach, aka your host and speaker for today. Welcome back to more of my educational, motivational, and inspirational and insightful videos. Now, in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about being normal. Yes, that's right, people. There are so many people out there who spend tremendous effort, tremendous time, and exhaustion being normal. They just want to feel normal. They just want to be normal. But let me tell you something. What is normal? Because there's people who are extraordinary from the ordinary. Are they normal? Is extraordinary a normal thing? What is being normal about? Well, I'll tell you what. Let me give you my perspective, my take on this. Being normal, at the end of the day, boils down to one thing. That's being comfortable with your own skin. That's what being normal is all about. Accepting who you are as a person and just living life according to who you are. It's all good and well who you want to be or who you're trying to imitate. That requires tremendous energy and effort and time. And it's got its setbacks, it's got its side effects, because you can never ever live up to anyone's expectations. So the best thing to do is to be yourself. Because then there's no expectations. The only expectations you have is what you put upon yourself. That is the true essence of being normal. Live life according to your own standards, but not by others. Live life according to your own pace, because at the end of the day, it is you who is going on a journey, that journey of life, through transformation, through refining, through development. It's at your own pace. You don't have to compete with someone. You don't have to be like someone. Be yourself. But in saying this, there's nothing wrong with wanting to aspire to become like someone, in a sense that as long as it's good, as long as it can contribute and add to your character. But do not lose your identity in terms of imitating them 100%. I'm not for that. What I am for is taking certain bits from people, you know, their success mindset, and applying it to your character. Because your character is unique. You are a unique person. You just add things on your foundation of who you are. So, people, to be normal, what is it about? It's about being who you are, being yourself, and fulfilling your true potential. So you can become extraordinary in order to serve others. So, people, that is my rant for today. A bit philosophical. Take it on board. Take whatever good that you get from this video and apply what works best for you. Until then, take care, stay strong, stay focused, and always live to learn to empower and inspire the lives of many as well as yourself. Bye for now.